We have now driven down into Vancouver. We're just off First Avenue, right at the freeway exit off of number 1 freeway. There is a VPD building up here we're going to get to. There's a building behind, which we're just coming up on now, and it is there's no markings on it whatsoever. It's got 6-foot security fencing all around it, tinted out windows. We have no idea what it is, but I'm assuming it has something to do with the Vancouver police. It might just be might be an additional dispatch center, or the econ center, I'm not sure, or just where a lot of civilians work. I have no idea. Just seems a little odd. All the security fencing here, no markings at all anywhere on this building or outside on the fencing of what this building is. Here we'll come take a look. Said we do have up here, just on the other side of the building we're at here now, is the Vancouver police, one of the Vancouver police buildings. I'm going to stop here in a second, take a picture of the side of the building, because see the Vancouver police all over the top of the side of the building here. Get a shot of it. So I'm doing some construction of a new building here, but up over here in the background we have the building in behind here. You can't really see it even with the zoom fully on the GoPro here, but there is a Vancouver police building there. I'm just going to quickly snap a couple shots with my DSLR. That's the police building up front, and this is the building in behind here. Very mysterious, fully fenced in. No markings at all, and you know, you're not seeing what I'm well, you might be seeing what I'm talking about after I'm done editing and putting the pictures in for the video. Very mysterious building down here. No markings at all. There's a little bit of signage on that front door, but I don't think I could get zoomed in enough to see what the hell it says. Probably some kind of COVID stuff, considering in this day and age. And a single police vehicle in here. They're all look like civilian vehicles, but it seems very odd, the high security of the building and no markings at all. So here we go, where this is the side of the VPD building. You probably can't see it from here, but there's some window washers up there. There's some people up on the balcony sitting down, having a break, maybe eating their lunch. We've got some picnic tables back here. People hang out at. We're going to work our way to the front of the building here. Slim chance of escape, you notice. People we just walked up by at the picnic table there, one of them's in uniform, so that's a VPD officer. Might be having a chat with somebody else or somebody who's observing, who knows.
That's a pretty quick looking truck.
Now see the other thing that makes me think this. The other thing that makes me think this building in behind is somehow related to the police.
Sorry.
Is the same security fencing up here. Is around that building.
Yeah, the Vancouver part right there.
But I've got to think that building in behind is also related to the police, because right up here they've got the same security fencing. Alright. Here at the front of the building here, take a little look around. I'm going to go up across the street and get a look here, better look before we get out of here. But what's that?
Remember the one you said with the fence?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that cop that got all that truck into that building, right?
Okay, so yeah, that building, so Paul's just confirming he saw a police officer walk over to that back building, so it does look that
I'm gonna go see what he's doing.
Does look like that is indeed the second building with no markings. That's fully covered with fencing, is indeed related to the VPD here.
Okay, I'm just gonna go see what he's doing.
Yeah. So here we are, 3585 Livingston Street. I'm not sure if this is First Avenue here or not. Front entrance to the police building here. Staff entrance. Well, not the front. It's a staff entrance only as it's marked. I'm going to fall back briefly because he's just going to walk back and see what that police was doing, heading back to that other building there. Actually, I'm going to quickly walk across the street here so I can get a little bit better view of the front of the building here. Snap a couple pics. So, here we go. This is the front of the Vancouver Police Building here. Way up there, you can see a police symbol. VPD. I'll get you a zoom in on that a little bit. It's way up there. VPD and the emblem. The security camera up there on the corner. I'm gonna take a couple shots here. You have a police vehicle turning around right here. To probably potentially talk to me, but took a couple shots of that VPD emblem up there. Said, I don't know if she's here to talk to me or what, but I'm sure she'll let me know if she is. Not sure where Paul went. I'll walk back here and find him. Must have come on back around the side here. So there he is on the corner, just shooting the building across the street here. Trying to be incognito. Lots of people seeing us, no reaction yet. Probably stop here in the driveway. Take some shots of this balcony area back here inside the building.
You popped the U-turn and watching you?
Oh, you know, there was a cop that pulled up right in front of me in a ghost car.
Yeah,
I thought she was going to jump out and talk to me.
No, she came out from the underground.
Yeah, I thought she...
She popped the U-turn. Is she still there?
she parked right where I was.
Yeah,
But,
she's watching. She watched you the whole time.
but
Yeah, she's still there.
yeah. I thought she was going to jump out and talk to me, but she didn't.
They're going to come around. They're guaranteed they're going to come around. This guy drove around like 3 times now. He's the one with the wife that was a kid.
So, there's some public parking here in this parking lot. 3 hours max parking. Controlled by secure guard. I'm just going to stop here briefly on the edge of the driveway.
It's a big building, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a few more shots back here. So we got this balcony area. Got some people out here talking. I don't know if they're... Looks like police talking to civilians. I don't know if they're just doing interviews outside. Window washing equipment there. That's lots of looky-loos, no takers. So I zoomed in on that balcony there.
Yep.
Looks like the police are actually doing interviews out there because 2 tables there have police on one side and it looks like civilians on the other side. So probably just because of COVID, they're taking statements outside.
Oh, that's what they're doing.
Yeah.
I thought so. She's still sitting over there.
Yeah.
I can still see her roof over there.
Yeah, I can see it.
That's what I thought, right?
Yeah, no, she came around and she basically pulled in at the curb right beside me. I thought for sure she was going to get out and say something, but she didn't.
I bet you.
And I had the
I bet you this building here.
and while she was there, I was taking pictures with this.
Oh, really?
With the zoom lens, yeah.
Okay. Well, they're not gonna. This guy can just keep driving around, eh? I don't know what this one's gonna be. I bet it's gonna be part of their building, maybe. That's not good.
So this white vehicle we see here, he's been driving around quite a bit. We don't know if he's just keeping an eye on us or what. But,
It is a big building.
not much happening here though. They've clearly seen us.
Oh yeah, they
I said they ghost car pulled up right beside me. She wasn't 10 feet from me, so.
Yeah.
Oh, here we have security in the unmarked building.
This used to be, I think, Jim Patterson at one time.
Well, it was Glen Air, whatever Glen Air was at one point. He's coming over.
Yeah, I think it was anyways, right? I'm pretty sure it was.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, looks like he's going to come over and ask.
Yeah. But I think it used to be Jim Patterson or something.
Yeah, I'm not sure. How you doing? Just taking a little film. We were actually just talking about what this was because it wasn't marked with anything. Trying to figure it out. We figured it was probably part of BPD, but we weren't sure. Yeah.
Kind of gave it away.
Absolutely.
I know.
Did it used to be Jim Patterson or something like that?
I'm not sure, but I know 10 years ago, these were Olympic buildings.
Oh, very. Okay.
Okay, so this is not new. Oh, it is new.
This is, they used to be on 5th Street, and they moved here.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah, no, we're just taking a little look, and we were mainly taking a look at the VPD building, but we were trying to figure out what this one was. We figured it was VPD, but
No. I was hoping that they'd get some parking, because parking here, this place is just packed. It's just nuts. I was hoping they bought parking here, but it's not. This is supposed to be mini storage.
oh, that's what
Okay.
it is. Okay.
That's pretty big for as mini storage.
They call it mini.
Yeah.
oh,
Yeah.
thanks for your time.
No worries.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, have a good one. Yeah, you too.
Oh, there you go. Security came up to talk to us, but very professional.
That's the way it should be.
Not pushing any luck. just asked us what we were doing. We just said we were trying to figure out this building, and he gladly told us it was part of EPD. Well, I don't think he actually said it, but you know, he pointed over there. So, all good. I was a commissionaire, not a particular security company, but one of the commissionaires. There we go. It's some looky-loos. One friendly approach, just asking a simple question. He was, you know, he wasn't being rude. I actually addressed him first. Asked him how he was doing. He was like, "Oh, I'm fine. Doing what you guys are doing." You know, some auditors like that style where they're not going to answer that question, but you know, I told them exactly what we were doing. Said you're doing some filming. We were wondering what this building was. You let us know. It's all good. Anyway, that seems to be that. What's that?
I don't get it.
Because they probably have a lot of civilians working in the building as well.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, if it was just a straight police building, they probably wouldn't have commissionaires, but the fact that they have some civilians in there as well that work for the police. Oh.
Sit on the log and have a smoke.
What log?
This one.
Oh, is there a log over here?
Oh, that's an antenna.
Oh, yeah. Somebody left their telephone pole here.
You grab one and I'll grab the other. Take it with firewood.
Might be a bit heavy.